What's going on, y'all? This your boy Killer B. Hey man, we finna get ready and head to Austin, Texas, to the races, man, to the Becker races. I got my dude Polo over there, Scotty Pippen, if you want to call him Scotty P. And yeah, we finna roll to Austin, baby. We in Dallas right now at Frio City downtown. So yeah, we was gonna leave out earlier, but it was doing some raining, and I ain't leaving my house when it's raining. But if I get caught in the rain, it's a different story. So yeah, so we finna hit it and try to have a good time down here. We got VIP tickets to Matt Sweetland, man. Appreciate you, bro. We're gonna go down here and just have an awesome time, man. So let's get it, baby. You ready?
Ready to roll, man.
Let's roll.
What up, y'all? Where we at, Temple?
Yeah.
So we in Temple, Texas, y'all. We just finna get something to eat. My boy on this blue bike hungry over here.
Hungry, man.
Yeah, we gonna gas up and we gonna get something to eat, y'all. Huh? Okay. So yeah, so that's what we finna do. Right there, Rick Rack, baby. Stick right on you. Yeah. Man, it's already warm here in Texas, man. Yeah, it's hot here in Texas already, man. And we going further south, so it's gonna be even hotter, y'all. So yeah, we'll get up with y'all, man. We got these buckets, y'all, still trying to fill up so we can get back on the road. You can see buckets right there. Man, it's packed out here too. It's crazy out here right now. But yeah, I'm gonna grab me a little bite to eat, man. We gonna get back on the road. We just probably maybe an hour out, that's it. And we'll be there, man. So I get up with y'all. All right. You hear how loud it is in here, y'all? Boy, it's crazy in here. Turkey sandwich, y'all. The bottle. Hey, y'all, this good, this watermelon. You ever had this? Man, that's about the only thing I can drink without cramping up when I'm riding. We are here, man. My boy says his arm cramped up coming down here.
Yeah, man, my first long ride. I'm used to it.
So yeah, it's his first long ride. What was it, about 4 hours?
Yeah.
About 4 hours, man. So yeah, it is hot, y'all. Woo. Jesus, man, can't wait till the winter time. Do y'all hear me? So yeah, we gotta check in at the ticket master right here. So let us check in. We got that VIP. All right, thank you. We got the VIP for three days, but we got here the second day. It's hot, y'all. God, dog. Yeah. Let's go in here and see what's going on. What's crack-a-lacking? It is hot, hot, hot. Hey, how's it going?
All right, no pocket knives, right?
No, no.
Perfect, good. Empty out your pockets. Did you hit it that way? You can just hang onto your phone, just hem your stick so it won't go off, and then go on through. You're fine, and unless it's something major metal, you're good. Come on through. There you go.
All right,
Have
thank
a
you.
good one. Oh, don't lose that. That's real important.
Thank you.
You got it.
Yep, so we are in here, y'all. My boy said they second level. Let's go get a shot of this thing. Here they come again, baby. Watching the races, man, and we gotta go get something to drink, y'all. It's hot as fish grease out here. Wee. Hey, but at least we had some shade over our head. This is a nice track, y'all. If you've never been, you need to come check it out. So, man, let's try to find some water, man. I gotta stay hydrated, bro. Y'all, we're gonna show y'all some of the bikes real quick. Let's get on some of these bikes. How you doing? What's your name, man?
Randy, man.
Randy, you from here?
Yeah, we met before, man.
Oh, we sure have.
Traveling the call.
Yeah. You down here just cruising, huh?
Yep, man. Come down here and check it out.
Yeah. Bike clean though, man.
Appreciate it, bro.
What's up? Be safe over there, man.
All right, man. Y'all be.
All right. Y'all, check it out so you get one to cover your seat up. I've been seeing those, man. But your seat get too hot, dude. Got the bagger races going on, baby, the bagger races. So let's get it. Started, baby. Let's get it started. Well, that's the end of the races for the day, y'all. So, hey, we finna go hang out, or we might head back, man. So we'll get up with y'all, man. We have enjoyed ourselves down here. It's hot though, but we enjoying ourselves. So, well, some of these bikes sound good out here. So let's get out of here, baby. Hey, man. Till next time, baby. The next round. Y'all stay safe, all right? Peace. Have a blessed one too, y'all. Have a blessed